3 cities, 1 newspaper, 5 headlines. Cyber cheats took rupees 4 crore in 13 months. Advisor finds smart parking only on paper. Kalka Shimla toy train section to be privatized. All 40 traffic light points to be synchronized by December 31 and wait till 2023 for Shatabdi that runs at 130 km an hour. Thanks for joining the 69th edition of Monday Review. I am your host Rajinder S. Nagakoti with new insights from 7 days of reading TOI. Today our measuring meter indicate a parking mess in Chandigarh and roadblocks in the city's alternative mobility plans. Stay with me and we will examine them. Why are there no display boards outside the parking lots to show the vacant bays? Why are there no attendants to help the drivers find a slot? A furious UT advisor fired a volley of these questions at the municipal corporation demanding answers for its failure to implement the smart parking system. Finding these features only on paper, the advisor Dharampal directed the Deputy Commissioner Mandeep Parar to find the MC officer in charge and get a report. The idea of smart parking is that once you reach outside the parking lot, you know how much space is available. The firms contracted to run the parking lots were supposed to make an app for booking the bays online. Instead, one finds only e-ticketing, POS machines and even manual collection. The contractors offer no parking assistance and haven't deployed their men at every 50 meters. The parking at almost every lot is haphazard, with two-wheelers occupying the space for cars. The city's 89 parking lots are divided among two contractors. The southern and the eastern sectors are in Zone 1 and the northern and western sectors in Zone 2, which being a commercial and tourist area has most of the new paid parking lots. The advisor had ordered the Urban Planning Department and the Municipal Corporation to implement the city's first ever parking policy notified in December last year. Moving on to streets, Anandita Mitra joined as MC Commissioner. The 2007 batch IAS officer of Punjab cadre straight away set her sights on making Chandigarh number 1 in the Swachhta rankings. She said technology will be used to make the city cleaner, greener and pollution free with scientific management of garbage. Among other things, she also sought a report on the state of roads and bicycle tracks. Out of the 1400 km road network, 20% must be recarpeted every year, but the work is stalled for a couple of years due to the MC's inability to pay the contractors. To know the state of bicycle tracks, we go over to Deepak Yadav.
While the city promotes smart bikes, the cyclists have to navigate debris and garbage on the broken and uneven tracks. Often they are forced to take the main road, exposing themselves to accidents. Besides the clutter, the digging for pipes and cables has also made the bicycle tracks narrower. Bicycle share is a smart facility, but already people have started misusing it and glitches have appeared in its app.
Thanks, Deepak. The city that has traffic signals at every kilometer is going to synchronize these lights to increase average speed, reduce the choke points and let a maximum number of vehicles through, thereby reducing delays. More than 1000 high-resolution CCTV cameras will be installed at the intersections. The Signal Command Center is coming up in Sector 17. Will it be metro or will it be monorail? The UT administration will go for a fresh mobility plan for the Mass Rapid Transport System or MRTS, as the RITES has found the 2009 plan impossible to update after the centre's new guidelines. See you next Monday, viewers. For your TOI copy, call us at this number 1800 121 0005. Please like, share and subscribe and get vaccinated.